Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 9 October 2021. So today we discuss about the wrapper class in a Java. Firstly, what is the wrapper class? The wrapper class in a Java, it can provide the mechanism to convert the primitive data type into the object and object into the primitive data. So the automatic conversion of the primitive data type into the object is called as autoboxing. So the automatic and automatic boxing and unboxing is the feature that can be used to convert the primitive into the object and object into the primitive. It's called as autoboxing. So we discuss the use of wrapper class in a Java. The Java is the object oriented programming language. So we can need to deal with the object in many times in Java programming. It means Java is object oriented programming language, so it can deal the object with many times in programming. So we can need to convert the primitive data type into the object because we can deal with objects. So it can be used in different types. Firstly, to change the value of the method. Second is serialization. Third is synchronization, and fourth is the Java until package. So first is change the value of the method. The Java can access only the call by values. So we can pass the value of the primitive data type. So Java cannot be change its original value. When this primitive data value can be convert into the object. So when it can be converted into object, so we can change its original value with the help of the object. Next is the serialization. The serialization, it can be used, it is a need to object to the stream of the to perform the serialization. When we use the primitive value, so it can be converted into the object with the help of the wrapping class. Next is the synchronization. The Java synchronization, it can be work with the object in a programming at the multi-threading time. The next is the Java until package. So Java until package, it can be also work with the object. It can provide the utility of the classes. It can be deal with the object. The next is the collection frame work. So the Java collection framework can be work with the object in a program. So all the classes of the collection package can be deal with the object, like as the array list, hash set list, linked lists, and other one is the vector and a hash set links. So the primitive data type can be written as in a same in a wrapper class, but only the first letter of the data type can be capital. For example, byte in primitive data type, it is written as same, but only the first letter of the byte can be capital in the wrapper class. So autoboxing. Autoboxing. What is meant by the autoboxing? The automatic conversion of the primitive data type into its corresponding object is called as the autoboxing of the wrapper class. For example, byte to byte, char to char, integer to integer, but it's only the first letter of the data type must be capital. So next is the unboxing. It is a procedure. It can be convert automatic primitive unboxing. It is the procedure. It can convert the primitive. It can convert its vapor type into its corresponding primitive type automatically. It called as unboxing. It is a reverse process of the autoboxing. So we discuss about the example of vapor class. Firstly, we can declare the public static vapor class. In a class, we can declare the character 10 and integer 20. So in autoboxing, it can be written as byte object is equal to 10 and integer object is equal to 20. And in unboxing we can written as the byte value is equal to the byte object, and integer value is equal to the integer object. So we can give the result of it, means that we can give the output like as the byte value is equal to 10 in unboxing class, and byte object is equal to 10 in the autoboxing.